Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, I went to Menards because I needed a bottle of Ortho Home Defense, which is the greatest stuff to kill stink bugs and almost everything else. We used to have a real problem with stink bugs. Now that I spray this around the outside of the house once a month during the summer and a real heavy dose in the fall, no more stink bugs. Great stuff. The nice thing is, it's, let's see. Yeah, $15.24 a bottle here at Menards. It's 25 bucks at Walmart. That's if they have it. I also saw John, you know him as Scout Crafter. He had a video where he talked about lids for 5-gallon buckets. Well, thanks, John. I found one at Menards. I wasn't at Home Depot because they're clear on the other side of the town, about 12 miles away. So I was walking down the aisle at Menards headed towards the insect spray, and there sitting on a pile was one of these covers. And I said, mine. I don't know what you paid for it at Home Depot, and I don't really care. I'm just going to give you the idea of what I paid for it here. It cost me $1.26. So now I've got a can of bug spray that I needed for $10 off, and I got the lid for the 5-gallon bucket. So I'm going to be able to store my tools out of the way from the damaging dust and humidity. Thanks, John. Great idea. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. This is Old Sneelock on the road, signing off.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.